Hi friends, in this video we are going to see a basic quick analysis of HBL Power Systems Limited. The company was founded in 1977 and is headquartered in Hyderabad. HBL Power Systems Limited is a subsidiary of Alluru Family Private Trust. HBL Power Systems Limited manufactures and sells batteries, power electronics, and spun concrete products in India and internationally. The company offers lead-acid batteries including pure lead tin VRLA, tubular gel VRLA, tubular plate vented, and flat plate VRLA batteries. In addition, the company offers renewable energy products, including off-grid solar systems, such as solar pumps and rooftop systems. It serves defense, telecom, railways, oil and gas, power utilities, UPS and inverter batteries, and solar power industries. The market capital, which means a measure of share market valuation of this company, is around 1300 crores, so it will come under small cap company. The book value, which represents a fair and accurate picture of a company's worth, is 29 rupees and 10 paise per share. The compounded sales growth of this company over last 10 years was -3%, 5 years it was -7%, 3 years it was -17%. A higher compounded sales growth is usually better while a falling is a bad sign. The compounded profit growth of this company over last 10 years was 6%, 5 years it was 3% and 3 years it was -23%. The return on equity, which indicates how well a company's management used shareholders' capital, a higher return on equity is usually better while a falling return on equity may indicate a less efficient usage of equity capital by the company. Anyway, the compounded return on equity of this company over last 10 years was 4%, 5 years it was 4%, 3 years it was 3% and 1 year it was 2%. The CAGR, which indicating the investors what they really have at the end of the investment over last 10 years, was 12%, 5 years it was 8%, 3 years it was 23% and 1 year it was 119%. The pay ratio of this company is 99.91, which means this company stock is trading a 99.91 times multiples with respect to its current value. In general, pay value less than 15 is considered as undervalued and greater than 15 is considered as overvalued. At the same time, pay ratio greater than 15 will shows investors are anticipating higher growth in future. Anyway, the pay value of other companies in this same sector is 63.59. The PB ratio, which means the market's valuation of the company relative to its book value, is 1.75. In general, PB value less than 3 is considered as good one. Anyway, the sector PB ratio is 4.79. The dividend yield, that shows how much a company pays out in dividends each year relative to its stock price, is 0.71%. Pros: the promoters of this company is gradually increasing their holding which shows their confidence towards the company. This company is almost debt-free. The company has been maintaining a healthy dividend payout of 44.12%. Cons: the company has delivered a poor sales growth of 6.82% over past 5 years. The current pay ratio of the company seems to be very high. Thanks for watching this video.